Hello friends, we all know what is Google, right? It's a company. We use its services every day. We send our emails through Google. We surf internet through Google. We search for web pages through Google. We often open links through Google. In spite, we are surrounded by Google in such a way that our smartphone today is also running on an operating system made by Google. So in spite of being a very huge and a giant company, Google still has some of the secrets that people don't know. So in this video, I'm going to uncover the 5 secrets of Google that people often don't know, and you will also be surprised to know that. So let's get started. So the first secret is, do you know Google, in spite of being a tech company, also works on world's critical problems, like providing internet into the remote part of the world. In fact, Google has a secret and separate lab which name is X, and X has started some of the company's greatest and ambitious projects, like Project Loon, which aims to provide internet balloons into the remotest part of the world. Internet balloons are the objects placed into the stratosphere of those areas, remotest areas of the world, where seamless access to the internet is not available. And those internet balloons will provide internet to those remote areas of the world, and so to connect those places into the mainstream places of the world. And in the same way, the Lab X has also started Project Waymo, which aims to create self-driving cars. These cars will give access to the people to those places where human drivers do not dare to go. The second secret, or in fact it's a fact, that in 2002, the Google was almost bought by Yahoo, which is also a tech company. Friends, in 2002, the Google founders, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, tried to sell the company Google to the Yahoo for $1 billion. But unfortunately, the Yahoo rejected the order to buy Google. Now think of it, had the Yahoo accepted the offer to buy Google, the Google would not exist today. And the third thing that many people don't know, that Google runs its business on a major acquisition strategies. Friends, Google has been growing since its foundation in 1998, and since then Google has acquired so many startups and businesses. For example, Google has acquired YouTube for almost $1.65 billion in 2006. YouTube, which was a separate tech company, now acquired by the Google, and YouTube is the greatest business of the Google today. And in the same way, Google has also acquired Android, which was an operating system made by some other company in 2005 for almost $50 million. And think of it, YouTube and Android are the greatest businesses of the Google today. So is it not a great acquisition strategies? The fourth secret is, Google also has its parent company Alphabet. Friends, in 2015, Google did its company's first restructuring, separating its internet business from their core experimental ventures, and recognized them as a branches of its parent company, Alphabet. Following the same strategy, after some time later, Facebook also did the same thing. Facebook was itself a company, but they restructured themselves and called themselves as a branches of its parent company, Meta. And the fifth secret is, do you know Google has its own personal internet? Yes, Google has its own personal internet. See friends, Google is a giant company. It has its offices in and data centers in almost all parts of the world. So to faster its services and not rely on the external service providers, they have their cloud computing, searches, and digital advertisements. So to faster their services, Google has spent millions of dollars to line up internet cables across all parts of the world, so that the company should not rely on the external service providers or external infrastructure. And for this to happen, Google has lined up its own internet cables running from California to Chile, Europe to Africa, America to France. And in this way, these cables allow Google to control their data flow and reduce their reliance on a third-party providers. So is it not a great move by Google? So that's all for this video, friends. I hope that you got something interested in this video. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.